Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 10 Ratio Exercise 10.1 I will start. I am R.S. Prasad sir. Today our topic is ratio. So come to the questions. How can find the ratios? A person gave 25 rupees to his son and 36 rupees to his daughter. Find out the ratio money given by person. So first of all 25 rupees of his son. तो son लेते हैं. Son amount is son raised to daughter. Son raised to daughter. So you can write here it is son is 25 and daughter is 36. So rupees. So that is your answer. A person gave 25 rupees to his son and 36 rupees to his daughter. Find out the ratio of money given by the person. So that is the ratio 25 raised to 36. It cannot be divided by any other number. So that is your answer only. How can find the second example? A stick 10 centimeter long and bamboo is 4 meter long, 50 centimeter long. Find out the ratio between the stick and the bamboo. So length of stick is first, so you can write stick. So length of stick it is given as 90 centimeter. Now length of bamboo that is 4 meter plus 50 centimeter. So first of all convert into 1 unit. So 4 meter is 400 centimeter plus 50 centimeter. So it becomes 450 centimeter. So ratio, so length of stick raised to length of bamboo, which is equal to, it is 90 raised to 450. So what will be, you can write like this 90 upon 450. So cut it into this one 0 to 0 and 9 1 ja 9 and 9 5 ja. So it becomes 1 upon 5. So you can write 1 raised to 5. So that is your answer. It's an easy way to find out. Now example 3, Rajesh earned 12500 per month. Out of this he saves rupees 250. Find out first the ratio of Rajesh earning and expenditure. So second Rajesh earning and saving. So सबसे पहले है Rajesh earning. Rajesh earning is equal to rupees how much 12500 and saving savings how many, that is the rupees 2500. Now expenditure it is 12500 minus 250. So what will be happen, 0 minus 0 and 0 minus 0, that is 5 minus 5, that is 0, and 2 minus 2, that is 0, and 1 here rupees. So you can write here rupees. Now first one is first, you can write ratio of Rajesh earning and expenditure. So earning and expenditure. So you can write here earning ratio expenditure. That is equal to how much? So you can say here earning is 12500 0 0, and this one is expenditure is, that is the 1000, 10,000, it is 10,000. So you can write like this 12500, and here is 10000. So 0 cancel with 0, 0 cancel with 0, and 5 2 ja 10, and 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja. So once again 5 4 ja and 5 5 ja. So we get 5 upon 4. So you can write 5 raised to 4. So that is your answer. Now come to the which one? Rajesh earning and saving. So you can write here earning raised to saving. So you can write earning. Where is the earning? Earning is 12500, 12500 raised to saving, that is the 22500. So you can write like this 12500 divided by 2500. 0 cancel with 0, this 0 cancel with 0, and 5 5 ja, and here is 5 2 ja and 5 5 ja. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25. So you can write here 5 1 1. So you can say 5 raised to 1. So that is your answer. Now come to the example 4. Find the ratio of the cost of a pencil and pen and pencil when the price of pen 144 per dozen and rupees 90 for 10 pencil. So first of all, price of pens equal to 144. 144 for 1 dozen. That means 1 dozen means that is the 12 pens. So it is rupees 144 divided by 12 for 1 pen. So 12 12 ja 44. So rupees 12 for 1 pen. Now come to the pencil. Price of pencil. It is given as rupees 90 for 10 pencil. So it is rupees 90 divided by 10 for 1 pencil. So 0 will be cancelled out. So we get rupees 9 for 1 pencil. Now find the ratio. So price of pen raised to price of pencil. So what will be happen? Price of pen, it is 12 raised to 9. So you can write like this 12 upon 9. So 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja. So it becomes 4 by 3. So you can write 4 raised to 3. That is your answer. Now come to the next example, that is the 5. 4 toffee had to distribute it between the Chotu and Mintu in the ratio 4 raised to 5. It is incomplete question. So first you stop here. Yes. Now Chotu and Mintu in ratio. So you can write here Chotu raised to Mintu. It is given as 4 raised to 1. So total ratio is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So now toffee for Chotu. That is Chotu number is 4 and the total number is 5 and it is divided for 40 toffees. So you can write here 40 to so it is divided by 5 1 ja 5 and 5 8 ja and 8 4 ja 32. So 32 toffee. So that is your answer. And now Mintu toffees for Mintu. That is, Mintu is 1 only and the total is 5 and it is out of 40. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 8 ja 40. So it is 8. So 8 toffees for Mintu. So that is your answer. Now come to the example 6. Find out the ratio of the following measures. Rupees 5 and 50s. So first word is rupees 5 and 50 paisa. That is the paise. So first of all, rupees change into the paise. So it is 500 rupee paise raised to 50 paise. So you can write 500 upon 50. So 0 cancel with 0, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 10 ja. So it is 10 upon 1. So you can write 10 raised to 1. So that is your answer. So it is the first A part. Now come to the B part. B part is 500 centimeter raised to 10 meter. So 500 centimeter raised to 10 meter change into centimeter. So it is 1,000 centimeter. So what will be happen? So it is 500 upon 1000. 0 cancel with 0, 0 cancel with 0, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja 10. So 1 upon 2. So you can write 1 raised to 2. So that is your answer. Now come to the exercise number 1. So that is the exercise number 1. Collect things around you. Find out the length of the object and find the ratio of lengths between the different objects. Write them in simplified form. So new pencil. It is the new pencil. So first of all, you can find the length. Length is, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So pencil is equal to 8 centimeter. And pen is equal to, so you can find it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 centimeter. And nail is, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. So 4 centimeter. And the all pin, it is given as 1, 2, 3. So that is the 3 centimeter. So what will be happen? So you can see here the ratio. How can find the ratio pen and pencil? You can find the ratio. So first of all, I want to tell you new pencil and the pen ratio. New pencil raised to pen. So you can write new pencil is 8 centimeter and that is the 5 centimeter. So it is your ratio. Answer हो गया. Similarly, ratio of these two pen and nails. Pen raised to nail, that is, pen is 5 and nails is 4. So that is the 5 raised to 4. And here is nail raised to all pin. So nail is 4 and all pin is 3. So that is your answer. Similarly, you can find the all pin and new pencil. So all pin and new pencil. So all pin is 3 and new pencil is 8. So that is your answer. You can find so many ratios in this figure. Now come to the question. Find out the ratio between the following. First of all, 15 minutes and 1 hour. First part is 15 minutes and 1 hour. So 15 minutes, 1 hour is 60 minutes. So you can write 60 minutes. So ratio is 15 upon 60. So 5 1 ja 5 and 5 2 ja and 5 3 ja 3 1 ja 3 and 3 4 ja. So it becomes 1 by 4. So it is 1 raised to 4. That is your answer. Now come to the second part. Second part is 250 gram raised to 1 kilogram. First kilogram change into gram. So kilogram is 1000 gram. So you can write 250 upon 1000. So 0 cancel with 0 and 25 4 ja. It is 1 upon 4. So it raised to 1 raised to 4. So that is your answer. Now come to the third one. Third part. It is here. So it is 15 paise and 1 rupees. 15 paise and 1 rupee. First you change rupee in paise. So 15 paise raised to 100 paise. So it is 15 upon 100. 5 2 ja 10 and 5 3 ja 15. So it becomes 3 upon 20. So you can write 3 raised to 20. So that is the answer. I think you can do all the questions. So that's why you have other question for your homework. So that means 4th, 5th, 6 and 7 both are all are these are the homework. So you can do at home. That one is which one? 4th question, 5th question, 6th question and 7th question. So these are the homework. So you can do at home. Now come to this. Write each of the ratio in simplest form. So how can do this simplest form? So first part, it is 50 raised to 400. So how can write this? 50 upon 400. So 0 cancel with 0, 5 1 ja 5 and 5 8 ja 40. So it is 1 upon 8. So you can write 1 upon 8, 1 raised to 8. So that is the simplest form. Now come to the second. Second one is 85 raised to 225. So you can write 85 divided by 225. Now divided by 5. 5 4 ja 20 and 5 5 ja 25. 5 1 ja 5 and 5 7 ja 35. So it is the 17 upon 45. So that becomes 17 raised to 45. That is your answer. Now come to the third part. Third part is 1 dozen raised to 1 score. 1 dozen, that means 12 score raised to 1 score. So it is the 12 raised to 1. So that is your answer. Now fourth part. Fourth part is this one is 27 raised to 57. So 27 upon 57. So 3 9 ja and 3 1 ja 3 and 3 9 ja 27. So it becomes 9 upon 19. That means 9 raised to 19. So that is the answer. So you can find the others. It is the fourth part. Now you can see fifth part also. Fifth part is here 24 raised to 68. So you can write 24 upon 68. Now 2 3 ja and 2 4 ja, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2 7 ja 14 and 2 6 ja. So what will be happen? 6 upon 17. So that is the 6 raised to 17. So that is your answer. Now you can do the others as homework. Now this one is 6 part. So you can write here 6 part. 6 part is 250 raised to 375. So it is 250 divided by 375. So 5 5 7 ja 35 and 5 5 ja 25. Here is 5 5 ja 50. Once again 5 1 ja 5 and 5 5 ja 25 and 5 1 ja 5 0 5 3 ja and 5 2 ja. So it becomes 2 upon 3. So you can write 2 raised to 3. That is your answer. Now come to the question number 4. Visakha annual income is given as rupees this one. It is Visakha annual income, out of which say he gave rupees this as income tax. It is income tax. Find the ratio income tax and income. Now here is, first of all, you can write income. Income is equal to rupees 80,000 and income tax is equal to rupees 5,000. Now first one is, it is income raised to income. Income tax raised to income. So income tax is how much? It is 5,000. So you can write 5,000 raised to total income is 80,000. So you can write 5,000 upon 80,000. So 0 will be cancelled out, all the zeros, and 5 1 ja 5 and 5 1 ja 5 and 5 6 ja. So it is 1 upon 16. So you can write 1 raised to 16. So that is your answer. Now come to the second part. Here is income raised to income tax. So income is given as 80,000 raised to income tax, that is the 5,000. So you can write here 80,000 divided by 500. So 0 will be cancelled out and 5 1 ja 5 and 5 6 ja and 1 0. So it is 160 upon 1. So you can write 160 raised to 1. It is 5,000. So 1 0 cancel with this 1 0. So it becomes 16 upon 1. So ratio is 16 raised to 1. So that is your answer. It is just reverse of this answer. Now come to this one. Fifth, Monu and Binu participate in race. In the given times, Manu covered 210 meter and Banu covered 180 meter in the same time. What will be the ratio of the distance covered by Manu and Banu? So first of all, you can read the Manu. Manu distance is 210 meter and the Banu distance it is given as 180 meter. Now find the ratio. It is given as 210 raised to 180. So it is 210 divided by 180. So 0 cancel with 0 and 3 7 ja and here is 3 6 ja. So it is 7 upon 6. So you can say 7 raised to 6. That is your answer. Now come to the Satish is scientist and earn rupees this one 20,000 per month. His wife Anita is a doctor, earns rupees 15,000 per month. Find out, put the ratios. Now Satish income and Anita income. So you can write here Satish income raised to Anita. Income. Satish income is Satish scientist, that is the 20,000 raised to 15,000. So you can write like this, 20,000 upon 15,000. So 0 cancel with 0, this 0 cancel with 0, and 0 cancel with this. So 5 3 ja and 5 4 ja, so it becomes 4 upon 3. So you can write 4 raised to 3, and that is your answer. Now come to the second part. It is your first part. Now second part, Satish income and their total income. So Satish income, you can find first total income. Total income. Total income is 20,000 plus 15,000. So it becomes 35,000 rupees. Now here is, you can write, find the Satish and total. Satish and total. Okay, Satish is 20,000 and the total is 35,000. So you can write here 20,000 divided by 35,000. So 0 cancel with 0 like this, and 5 7 ja and 5 4 ja. So we get 4 upon 7. So we can say 4 raised to 7, and that is your answer. Now come to this one. Question number 7. The number of students in a school is 500. Out of 600 are girls. Out of these 600 are girls. Find out the ratio of the number of boys and girls. So total students is equal to 500, 1500, and the girls कितनी हैं देख लीजिए 600. So you can find the boys. Boys is 500 minus 600. So we get how many? 900. Now find out the ratio boys and girls. So you can write here BOY, boys and girls. So boys is 900 and girls is 600. So you can write 900 divided by 600. 0 cancel with 0, 0 cancel with 3, 2 ja and 3 3 ja 9. So it is 3 by 2. So you can write 3 raised to 2. So that is your answer. Now come to the 8th question. Divide 20 balloons into 2 raised to 3 between Banu and Bangru. How many balloons will Banu and Bangru get? Okay. So total balloon is equal to 20, and the ratio Banu raised to Bangaro. So that is the 2 raised to 3, and the total ratio is 2 plus 3, that is the 5. So now come to the Banu, that is the Bhanu. Bhanu is getting 2. First one is Banu is getting 2 out of 5, and the total number is 20. So now you can calculate 5 4 ja, so it becomes 4 2 ja 8 balloons. So it is first answer. Now come to the second one is Bangru. That is Bangru is 3 and total is 5, and here is total 20 balloons. So you can write this 5 1 ja 5 and 5 4 ja and 4 3 ja 12 balloons. So that is your answer. Now come to the 9th question. What is in your 9th question? Rajesh and Javed together open a shop. In shop, Rajesh shared the rupees. This one, Rajesh shared, and this is the Javed rupees. Find out the investment ratio Rajesh and Javed. So Rajesh raised to Javed. Rajesh is given as 45000 raised to 36000. So it is 45000 upon 36000. 0 will cancel this, 0 will cancel this, 0 will cancel this. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 45. Now 3 4 ja and 3 5 ja. So that is 5 upon 4. So you can say 5 raised to 4. So that is your answer. Now come to the 10th question. In examination, out of 117 candidates, 65 failed. Find out the ratio successful and unsuccessful. So that means total candidate is equal to 117. Failed 65 and the successful is equal to 117 minus 65. So do the subtract this. 7 minus 5, that is 2, and here is 11 minus 6, that is the 5. Now find the ratio successful raised to unsuccessful, that means fail. So successful is how much successful? Successful is, and that is the 52, raised to fail is 65. So that is the answer. Now come to the 11th question. Ratna and Sheila picked 18 mangoes. So that is the 18 mangoes. Both of now wish to divide mangoes between each other. Ratna wants two mangoes to be distributed in ratio of their ages. Find out how many mangoes would Ratna Sheila gets divided in this manner when Ratna is 15-year-old and Sheila is 12 years old. So the ratio, find the total ratio. How? First one is Ratna raised to Sheila. It is 15 raised to 12. So you can write 15 upon 12. So 3 4 ja and 3 5 ja. So it is 5 upon 4. So you can write 5 raised to 4. And the total ratio, so it is 5 plus 4, it is 9. So now come to the Ratna. Ratna mango. Ratna is 5, so it is 5 and total is 9, and the here is total given is 18 mangoes. So 9 1 ja 9 and 9 2 ja 18, so it is 5 2 ja 10 mangoes. So it is the for Ratna. And now for second one is Sheila. Sheila is 4 and total is 9, and here is total is 18. So you can write here, so 9 2 ja 18 and 4 2 ja 8 mangoes. So that is the answer, and this one is also answer. Now come to the present age of father is 50 years and that son is 20 years. Find the ratio. Present age of father and the son. Second one is present age. Don't write present age. So first of all, father and son. So you can write father raised to son. It is present only. So present is 50 years. So it is 50 and son is 20 years. So you can write 20 here. So 50 divided by 20. Now 5, it is 0 cancel with 0, so it is the 5 by 2. So you can write 5 raised to 2. Now come to the second part. Second part, both their ages when the son age was 10 years. So here is um, it is father raised to son. Son age was 10 years, so it is 10 years, so it is 20 years before, so 50 minus 10. It is the ratio, so it is the 40 raised to 10. So you can say it is 40 divided by 10. So 0 will be cancelled out. It is 4 upon 1. So you can say 4 raised to 1. So that is your answer. It is your also answer. So third one is both their ages when father is 35 years. So you can say father is third, father raised to son. When father is 35. So 50 years minus the 50 and 35 minus it is 15. So that time father age is 15. So you can say 35 raised to 15 and 5 3 ja and 5 7 ja. So 7 upon 3. So you can write 7 raised to 3. So that is your answer. Now the homework is which one? That means is your fourth and fifth one is fourth and fifth one is for your homework. So you can do at home. Now 13 question. The ratio of income Ram Syam is 3 raised to 4. Total income is this. Find out the earning Ram and Syam. So Ram raised to Syam, that is 3 raised to 4, and total ratio 3 plus 4, that is the 7, and total income it is given as 21,000, 21,000 rupees. So first of all Ram income is, so Ram is 3 out of 7 or into 21,000. So 7 1 ja 7 and 7 3 ja 21. So 3 3 ja 9. It is 9,000 rupees. So you can write 9,000 rupees for Ram. Now for the Syam is 4 and out of 7 and total is 2100. So 7 1 ja 7 and 7 3 ja 21. It is 3,000. So 4 3 ja 12. So it is 12,000 rupees. So that is the second answer. Now come to the 14. Point B is placed between A and C. Point B is between A and C. This one is uh, A and C. It is the B point. Be placed between A and C such a way AB raised to BC. AB raised to BC is given as 7 raised to 3. AC is 40 centimeter. This one AC is equal to 40 centimeter. That means total. So you can write here total ratio is equal to 7 plus 3, that is the 10. So find out the AB. Now length of AB. AB is 7 out of 10 and total is 40. So like this you can say 0 cancel this, 7 4 ja 28 centimeter or kilometer. It is kilometer. Total is given as 40 kilometer. You can write total AC is 40 kilometer. Now find the BC. BC is equal to, BC is given as 3. So 3 upon total is, that is the 10. So total 10, and here is AC. You can write here AC. AC is 40. So 0 will be cancelled out and 3 4 are 12 kilometer. So that is the answer. It is kilometer, not centimeter. You can write kilometer. Now it is your last question. Now come to do this. I have 6 samosas, correct, and I wish to divide to my friends. First word divide friends 1:1. So first one is uh, first friend raised to second friend. That is given as 1:1. So total ratio, it is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So for first friend, first friend is 1 and total is 2 and total samosa is 6. So 2 1 ja 2 and 3 is, so 3 1 ja 3 samosa. For second is also getting 3 samosa. Now second option, it divides into raised to 2 raised to 1 raised to 3. With my 2 friends, how many samosa will each one us gets? That means there is 3 persons. So ratio, it is given as 2 raised to 1 raised to 3. So total is 2 plus 1 plus 3, that is the 6. Now for first is equal to 2 out of 6 and total samosa is 6. So you can write 6 1 ja 6 and 6 1 ja 6 and that is the 2 samosa. Now second, for second लेना चाह रहे हैं हम लोग. Second is only 1, so 1 upon 6 into 6. So it is only 1 samosa. Now for third person, that is the third is 3. It is here. So 3 upon 6, total is 6 and total samosa is 6. So this will be cancelled out. So it becomes 3 samosa. So you're ending the exercise. आपकी एक्सरसाइज खत्म हो रही है. इसी के साथ आप लोग अपनी कॉपी में पूरी तरह से कंप्लीट करेंगे और कॉपी अच्छी तरह से बना के रखेंगे. जब स्कूल खोलेंगे तो मैं कॉपी फिर से चेक करूंगा आप लोगों की. और कोई डाउट्स वगैरह हो तो कमेंट्स कर दिया करो. वीडियो कैसा दिखाई दे रहा, कुछ गड़बड़ हुआ करे तो बता दिया करो, जिससे मैं अगली बार उसको सही करने की कोशिश करूंगा. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. ये लाल बटन दबा करके सब्सक्राइब करना है आपको और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चों को शेयर करिएगा जिससे कि ज़्यादा बच्चों का फ़ायदा हो सके. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे. मैं आर एस प्रसाद सर आज यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ.